So week 3 involves formatting a worksheet, and this is set up similar to the previous weeks. We have the chapter, module 3, which you're going to want to work through. And remember, there are the module 3 files that you can download and unzip. Then once you're done working through that, there is a discussion exercise that you're going to want to complete. And this is basically personal preference, which formatting tool do you find most useful? So there really is no right or wrong answer there. So it's basically easy 5 points for you to post your opinion and then reply to 2 other postings. Then you're going to do the training and the testing, which we've talked about in the past. Remember, with the training, you can do it unlimited number of times. With the testing, you get 3 shots. And then you will take the quiz, open book, open note, no time limit. I would probably have the chapter open in a separate tab while I was taking the quiz because you're allowed to look up information. Okay. We also have an extra credit. And I added something new, the question and answer forum. So as we are going through these chapters, if there is something that you don't understand or something that you want more information about, this is where you would post the question, and then I will either post a reply, or if it's easier for me to show you by making a video, I will do that too. So this is for you guys. This first forum, you can ask questions from week 2 or week 3, either one, because week 2 dealt with formulas and functions, which some people find confusing. And week 3, we're getting into formatting. Okay, so either week, you can go ahead, post a question, and I will answer it for you. So also, if you would rather email questions privately, that is okay too. Please ask if you have any questions at all. And I hope you guys all have a great week.